Just drop this into the toilet once, and you'll forget you ever had a problem. An old housekeeper shared this trick with me, and it's a simple, budget-friendly way to make a powerful cleaner for your bathroom. Take a medium-sized bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ground coffee. Coffee not only neutralizes unpleasant odors, but also works as a mild abrasive. It contains essential oils that bring freshness and help fight bacteria. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, a versatile ingredient with cleaning, degreasing, and whitening properties. It breaks down limescale, removes hard water stains, and neutralizes acids. Now pour in some vinegar. White vinegar works best. It's a natural disinfectant that kills bacteria, mold, and viruses. When vinegar hits the mixture, it will fizz up, helping loosen dirt and grime. Stir everything together and pour it into the toilet. Let it sit for a few minutes so the active ingredients can work. Then scrub as usual. The result? Clean, fresh, and disinfected. No harsh chemicals needed. This homemade cleaner is a great alternative to store-bought products.